Hey everyone, it's Roden Kids, and today we have a Steam Siege pre-release box that we're going to be opening up, as long as a Steam Siege extra pack. So we didn't actually go to the pre-release, but we got the box from a local comic book store in the pack. So we're going to be opening these up, and Nova, take it away. There's a few things in here. There's 4 packs, and I believe there's some extra, it's almost like the old deck boxes. There's a few evolution cards in here, and other sets of things.
Oh.
It's supposed to be a deck box also, so that's pretty cool. It's just cardboard though. The old pre-releases we used to go to were a lot different. You get 6 packs to start, I believe, yes, and then you make your 40 card deck, and then after that you get more packs at the end, and then give you a cool, like, make your own plastic deck box. So those were fun to make. I guess it's cardboard now, so that's kind of cool.
Got a pre-release thingy.
Alright.
Thank you, here's the 4 packs.
Okay.
What's that other pack there?
These are...
I have no idea.
These
It
are
has
the
a
extra
hoopa
cards.
in it.
It's supposed to be 1 out of 4. You get an extra promo card. And you got the hoopa. That's the promo. That's pretty cool.
Cool.
Alright, let's get started with the packs. I'll go first. Alright, so we're looking for all the EXs and the breaks, especially Talonflames. Those look pretty awesome. Just start right off the bat, sort of like the old Sableye that we used to use. There's also a few supporters and trainers that would be nice to get. Alright, Tangrowth. Looks like a better one than they used to make for him. Hawlucha. I wonder if that's as good as the fighting one they have right now. Lampent. Avalugg. That looks interesting. Ooh, Talonflame Break. That is exactly what we were looking for.
Uh-huh.
The card we wanted the most. This is pretty awesome. Okay. First pack. That's amazing.
I'll go second.
Yes. Ponyta, Larvesta, and Rufflet, and Meowth, and a Litwick. Okay, so those ones aren't that
good. Okay, they're not amazing.
But we got the Break, the Tangrowth, the Hawlucha, and the Avalugg. So I'll rate that pack like a 9. I think that was pretty amazing.
I don't think we should do many ratings anymore.
I'm gonna say an 8.
Okay.
I'll go second.
Alright, you can do your next pack, Joe.
Since I already got mine all started. So, I don't know what's gonna be in this. I need to be careful. Code card, okay. I'm okay with that. Put those aside. First card, a Fletchender, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Fletchender. Second card is a Duoddle, I'm pretty sure. An
Azumarill.
Yeah, Azumarill. Next card, a Mega Gardevoir EX. I don't know if we needed that or anything, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that we did need that. Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah, it is full art. That's neat. Next card, Yanma. We might need that for Yan Megas. That would be good.
Yep.
So that's always nice. Next card,
Oshawott.
Yeah, Oshawott. I just kind of forgot Evolution. Next card, Sneasel. Oh, dang it, a Seedot. A Drifloon. Where's that? Yeah, a Drifloon. And last card is a palm, or whatever.
That's decent. Mega Gardevoir is pretty amazing.
Cool.
Sweet. Alright.
Awesome.
Do
Okay.
you want to do a pack now?
Sure. Open mine. Another Steam Siege. Okay. Let's get our code card here. First, have a Litwick. Next is a Dino. And then
Good.
Ponyta. Marill. Okay. Litleo.
Yeah.
It goes into Pyro, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, shiny Fletchling. Kabalion. Klefki.
Those are always good.
Gardevoir Spirit Link. And Duop.
Meh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing too great in that pack.
Yep.
Nonetheless, got a Spirit Link, Left Key, and a Kabalion, so it's alright. Let's move on to the next one here.
Let's move on to this.
Okay, more X's, more breaks. Come on, let's see it. Ninja Boy. Ooh, that's a good supporter.
We need
Very- very
Boy.
Use those in your actives, and they're especially good for getting Shamans out of the way. I like to just put a Shaman down,
Yep.
switch that out. No more worries about him. Drift Blim.
That goes with the drift.
Nice. Captivating Pokepuff. We wanted some of those as well. Looks like a cupcake.
Yes. Yummy, yummy cupcake.
Jump Pluff.
It's a pokey cake. Okay,
Oh, no,
that's
but
a
you
thing.
just came up with a good one.
In reverse. Bergmite.
Brig-
Bergmite.
Bird.
Dino.
He looks like a
I'm a
volcano.
burglar.
Hoppip.
Okay, no, I get it.
Pop, pop,
Part of the
beep, pop,
evolution.
boop, pop.
Litwick. Meowth. That's right. Ponyta. And the code.
We got Ninja
Alright.
Boys.
Decent pack. Ninja Boy and Poke Cupcake.
Poke cupcake.
It's alright.
Poke
You're up,
cake.
Ewan. Let's see what you got.
Porky. Yeah, there. Okay. I can smell.
What we
the-
gonna get?
Fingers crossed.
I can smell the X's.
You can smell the X's. Okay.
Oh, yeah. When you can smell the X's, that means it's good. Okay. This card. An armor fossil.
Shielded on.
Yeah, a shielded on.
Shield on. Oh, shield.
I think that's one of the newer ones. Brave Claw, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Braviary.
Braviary.
Yeah, Braviary. Nuzleaf. Next one is a
Probopass.
Yeah, Protopass. A Hydreigon.
Easy.
Yeah, Hydreigon, that's okay. Drift Bloom. I don't know. Another Apom. These ones are like hard to pronounce. Mankey. The beautiful Mankey of dreams. Next card shall be a Shellos. Dang it. A Quagsire.
It's Krogunk.
Well, Quagsire,
Alright, so
Krogan.
Hydreigon, Probopass, Shield Fossil.
And of course, the
Not the
code
best.
card.
Cool Hydreigon though.
Okay, I'm gonna open this thing. I have no idea what's inside, but
Some special cards in there, I think.
oh, got it. Okay, so we've got Hoopa, Pyroar, Great Ball, Switch, Giovanni Scheme, Tierno, Litleo, Ponyta, Rapidash, Level Ball, Professor's Letter, another Giovanni Scheme, Tierno, Nidoran Boy, another Nidoran Boy, Nidorino, another Nidorino, Nidoking, another Nidoking, and a code card.
That's pretty
Pretty
nice. I
cool.
didn't expect there to be that much stuff in there.
Yeah.
It's that cool Hoopa. This guy looks awesome.
Yeah, he's a beast. He's a nice chopping beast.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.